So in tonight's Something for the Weekend video, which is my first video for Something for the Weekend, I'm going to show you what I do when I have a wine that's a little bit tannic, what to do with it and how to sort that tannin out, because there's a number of things you can do. One of them, if you grab the glass, if you pop your hand on the top of the glass and shake it up and down like this, like crazy, obviously a lot more than that, but I'm doing it one-handed as I'm holding the phone, can't quite show you. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it, obviously get the wine, pour it into a big jug or a larger glass, and just to give it more air and just to expose it to the air. But one of my favorite ways is, I'm just gonna see if I can show you this, use something like a NutriBullet or another blender of our type. So we're going to whack this bad boy in here, which we've already tasted, and it is a little bit on the tannic side. And, excuse me while I go over here, I'm going to pop this on and seal it up. I'm not doing a very good job of this, as I try to do everything one-handed, which is not working especially well. So, there we go. Now we have it sealed. Let's whack it in here. And hey presto, it's smoothie time. Now we go back, we open up the smoothie. Now that wasn't a huge amount of time. You can hear it. Look at this, sizzling away. It's been aerated to within an inch of its life. And let's see what it tastes like now. Straight away, the aroma is much, much different. Wow. Suddenly, tannins have dissipated, elegance is there, flavors are much, much more intense. Now it's at its best, ready to drink. Very, very quick way of doing things. I hope you enjoyed tonight's bit of fun. Cheers.